Welcome to the Academy of Baking and Cake Decorating. So here we are trying to find out some more details about our Bake for Wellbeing platform. So that's the landing page of the website, and if we scroll down, we can see lots of details about what the platform is providing and how it can help cake bakers and decorators to start and build a successful business. So if you want to look through, that's going to provide lots of information. And we reached memberships. So we see we've got two memberships. One is a baking and one is a cake decorating membership. Many other training programs for teaching, selling, master programs in class and online, diploma, professional diploma courses, sculpted cakes, and also a large selection of free classes, which are all available free of charge, and they will always be free of charge for the subscribers. So all you have to do is just subscribe to the website, but there is nothing for you to pay. Then if you scroll down, you can read more details. You can see some of the reviews we had from our students. So there is also a quiz which you can take if you want to. And obviously the links to join if you are interested. But let's click on the baking side and see what's that going to show us. It will take us to the Bake for Wellbeing membership site page. And the first thing you notice here that it's going to give you a 30 days free access. So when you sign up, you will be asked to input your payment details, but payment will only be taken on the 30th day if you decide to stay with us. If not, obviously no payment will be taken, but your access to the platform, it will stop. So to maintain that access, you will have to be an active member. Again, some more reading for you if you want to find out all the details. The benefits of the membership is one sponge recipe, one filling recipe, and one design, like in artisan style, per week every Monday, and one new cookie and savory recipe on the first Monday of the month, so just once per month. Then you get access to a calculator to see the price calculation of all those elements, but you can also use that calculator and just make a copy and then input your recipes if you want to see exactly how much it actually costs you to make a particular recipe. But the tutorial about how to use the calculator, that's going to be a separate tutorial, so I'm not going to stress too much on this. Then we'll also get a list of equipment consumable required to complete your projects. Then you get access to this ebook, which will be updated every week. So the new content, it will be added to the same ebook. So you don't have to follow different links, or it's just the same link which you will have to use. And to get access to the content, you will need to input your email address as a password. So it's only going to be associated with your email address. You'll not be able to access it if you don't use the email address which you've used to register yourself as a member. Access to a weekly 30 minutes live question and answer session, which will run within a private group, and an unlimited access to that group. So you can obviously type your questions, interact with your peers, and ask, for advice if it's required. But the live session, it will be only 30 minutes per week. Now, if we click on the cover of the booklet, we can see details about what it contains. But just scrolling down the page, if you want to stay in touch with us, you can subscribe. But in here, what it's important for us to know is literally what this e-booklet looks like. It just gives us an idea about what the platform it will work like. So it's literally an e-magazine. So if you want to zoom in, search, look for the thumbnails, go backwards, forwards, share with your friends. You can always share it and we will appreciate that. But the friends will only have access to this sample. So for someone to get access to the full magazine and then in the future to the new additions, it will have to be a full membership. Then you can increase the size of the magazine to the full screen, or you can just send a link through an email to someone if interested. Now, looking at the book, if we just flip the pages, again, you get some of the benefits in here. If you want to join, you have to click in here, and then it will take you to the payment page. And you can see that the subscription is a £6 per month subscription, and an annual or £59 if you decide to go for annual subscription. But regardless which method you choose, you will still get the 30 days free trial. So practically you input your details, but you only get charged after 30 days. And then the next page, it will take you to the month. So we are in September now, but this September contains the material for 4 weeks. So if you want to go for week 1, you click week 1, week 2, and so on. Throughout the month, as you've got different projects, some of them might involve some elements which are not always necessary, but we sometimes might suggest them to be used either for decorating or for adding a little bit more flavor to your cakes. Those would be offered as bonuses. And as you can see in here, we put a bonus like a caramel syrup, an easy milk chocolate ganache, and easy white chocolate ganache, chocolate curls. So they will just show as bonuses. But if you go to the week 1, then you see that throughout the week 1, we've covered the vanilla cupcakes, white chocolate mousse, almond cookies. If you click on the vanilla cupcakes, for example, you will be taken to the page which explains what equipment you should use. If you click here, you see the video of how to make those cupcakes. You see the ingredients, and also you get access to the calculator. So when you go to the calculator, you can see the front page, but said we will explain you how to use it. And then you see the ingredients, and then you also see the cupcakes, and you make the calculation of the how much they will cost to make a certain number of cupcakes. And then you also get here a photo with a link to the video. So just to make your life a little bit easier. Okay, so going back to the magazine, exactly the same thing will happen with all the other elements. And then you will also get some decorating ideas about how to decorate. So if you click on this bit, for example, it will take you to the video, which will explain you how to do those kind of decorations. So every single element, it will be covered in this e-magazine, and you will be able to access all those details once you become a registered member. Now, the last page is just to remind you that if you need any help with your business, I will personally be happy to help you out. And you can reach me by just joining a Zoom call on each Sunday from 9 to 9:30. My office doors, my virtual office doors are open to anyone. So all you have to do is just click this link and just join me and ask me anything. Or if you prefer to just talk with me in one-to-one basis, then you will have to just book a free assessment, pre-assessment for your business if you want to discuss any business-related problems. And usually those conversations are for Saturday morning, but you will have to reserve a spot because they go fairly quick. So you just have to make sure that you've got your spot reserved. So that's pretty much what I wanted to just share with you. And I hope you will take your time and just read through and see if this Bake for Wellbeing membership can be something beneficial to you, as it's well-being, not just for people who are making the cakes, also for the people who are eating the cake. So we try to make everyone happy and positive.